Question: The Protection of Civil Rights Act extends to A. The whole of India. B. The whole of India except the scheduled areas. C. The whole of India except the state of Jammu and Kashmir. D. The whole of India except the Union Territories of Goa, Daman and Diu. Correct answer is A. The whole of India. Question: Who is held responsible for the offences committed by companies under the Protection of Civil Rights Act, 1955? A. Director. B. Manager. C. Secretary. D. All of the above. Correct answer is D. All of the above. Question: Which one of the following pairs is not correctly matched? A. Hindu Marriage Act 1955. B. Hindu Succession Act 1956. C. 73rd Constitutional Amendment, Reservation of Seats for Women in the Election of Local Bodies in Urban Areas. D. Sati Prevention Act 1987. Correct answer is C. 73rd Constitutional Amendment, Reservation of Seats for Women in the Election of Local Bodies in Urban Areas. Question: The Protection of Women from Domestic Violence Act came into force on A. the 20th of September, 2005. B. the 30th of September, 2006. C. the 10th of October, 2006. D. the 26th of October, 2006. Correct answer is D. the 26th of October, 2006. Question: Which of the following is not a social act? A. Misar Act. B. Anti-Dowry Act. C. Protection of Civil Rights Act. D. Prevention of Immoral Traffic Act. Correct answer is A. Misar Act. Question: When was the Criminal Tribes Act enacted for the first time? A. 1952. B. 1924. C. 1871. D. 1911. Correct answer is C. 1871. Question: The Scheduled Castes and Scheduled Tribes Prevention of Atrocities Act 1989 came into force on A. the 1st of July, 1989. B. the 30th of January, 1990. C. the 30th of July, 1989. D. the 1st of January, 1990. Correct answer is B. the 30th of January, 1990. Question: Under which act the Scheduled Caste and Scheduled Tribe Atrocity Removal Law was implemented? A. Act 1990. B. Act 1989. C. Act 1992. D. Act 1991. Correct answer is B. Act 1989. Question: Who has had the power to make rules for carrying out the purposes of the Scheduled Castes and the Scheduled Tribes Prevention of Atrocities Act 1989? A. The state government. B. The central government. C. Both A and B. D. The Supreme Court. Correct answer is B. The central government. Question: offence committed by any public servant under Section 3 of the SC and ST Prevention of Atrocities Act, 1989, provides for minimum punishment of A. 3 months, B. 6 months, C. 1 year, D. none of the above. Correct answer is C. 1 year. Question: the state government can specify a court of session to be a special court to try the offences under the Scheduled Castes and Scheduled Tribes Prevention of Atrocities Act, 1989 with the concurrence of the A. Governor, B. Chief Justice of High Court, C. Session Judge of concerned district, D. Ministry of Law. Correct answer is B. Chief Justice of High Court. Question: the Scheduled Castes and Scheduled Tribes Prevention of Atrocities Act is a special provision for the advancement of scheduled castes and scheduled tribes which is based on which one of the following doctrines? A. Doctrine of severability, B. Doctrine of preferred position, C. Doctrine of protective discrimination, D. Doctrine of harmonious construction. Correct answer is C. Doctrine of protective discrimination. Question: who is empowered for imposition and realization of a collective fine under SC and ST Prevention of Atrocities Act, 1989? A. District Magistrate, B. State Government, C. Special Court, D. High Court. Correct answer is B. State Government. Question: in a prosecution for an offence under the Scheduled Castes and Scheduled Tribes Prevention of Atrocities Act, 1989, the court can presume which of the following? A. Abetment, B. Common intention, C. Common object, D. all of the above. Correct answer is D. all of the above. Question: which of the following sections of the Scheduled Castes and the Scheduled Tribes Act, 1989 provides for application of certain provisions of the Indian Penal Code? A. Section 12, B. Section 10, C. Section 6, D. Section 8. Correct answer is C. Section 6. Question: under the Scheduled Castes and Scheduled Tribes Prevention of Atrocities Act, 1989, which of the following is barred? A. Anticipatory bail, B. Post-arrest bail, C. Benefit of probation, D. all of the above. Correct answer is A. Anticipatory bail. Question: under which of the following sections of the Scheduled Castes and Scheduled Tribes Act, 1989 is anticipatory bail prohibited? A. Section 16, B. Section 17, C. Section 18, D. Section 19. Correct answer is C. Section 18. Question: an offence committed under the Scheduled Castes and Scheduled Tribes Prevention of Atrocities Act, 1989 shall be investigated by a police officer not below the rank of A. Sub-Inspector, B. Inspector, C. Deputy Superintendent, D. Superintendent. Correct answer is C. Deputy Superintendent. Question: which of the following power is not provided to specified special court under Scheduled Castes and Scheduled Tribes? Prevention of Atrocities Act. A. Forfeiture of property of a convict of an offense. B. To authorize a person for extra investigation other than police. C. To remove a person from the area who is suspected of committing a crime. D. Take measurement and photograph of a person who is suspected of committing a crime. Correct answer is B. To authorize a person for extra investigation other than police. Question: which of the following powers a special court cannot exercise under the Scheduled Castes and Scheduled Tribes? Prevention of Atrocities Act. 1989. A. To remove a person. B. To forfeit the property. C. To take measurement of a person. D. To impose collective fine. Correct answer is D. To impose collective fine. Question: in a prosecution for an offense under the Scheduled Castes and Scheduled Tribes. Prevention of Atrocities Act. 1989. The accused in his defense cannot take the plea that A. The act was done in exercise of the right of private defense. B. He also belongs to the caste as that of the victim. C. The act causes such a slight harm which could not be a subject of the complaint. D. Both A and C. Correct answer is D. Both A and C. Question: a court of session specified as special court to try the offences under the Scheduled Castes and Scheduled Tribes. Prevention of Atrocities Act for the purpose of providing A. Speedy trial. B. Time-bound trial. C. Special protection to victims. D. All of the above. Correct answer is A. Speedy trial. Question: under which one of the following sections of the Scheduled Castes and the Scheduled Tribes Rules 1995 Constitution of District Level Vigilance and Monitoring Committee has been provided? A. Section 18. B. Section 19. C. Section 17. D. Section 16. Correct answer is C. Section 17. Question: the government enacted the Panchayat Extension to Scheduled Areas (PESA) Act in 1996. Which one of the following is not identified as its objective? A. To provide self-governance. B. To recognize traditional rights. C. To create autonomous regions. D. To free tribal peoples from exploitation. Correct answer is C. To create autonomous regions. Question: the Right to Information Act of Parliament received the assent of the President of India on A. the 15th of May, 2005. B. the 5th of June, 2005. C. the 15th of June, 2005. D. the 12th of October, 2005. Correct answer is C. the 15th of June, 2005. Question: which one of the following statements is true about right to information? A. It is a political right. B. It is a constitutional right. C. It is a legal right. D. It is a social right. Correct answer is C. It is a legal right. Question. Right to Information Act was passed in the year A. 2001, B. 2004, C. 2005, D. 2002. Correct answer is C. 2005. Question. Consider the following statements about the Right to Information (RTI) Act 2005 feet and select one which has not been provided for or is specially exempted. A. It is not applicable in the state of Jammu and Kashmir. B. An applicant making request for information will have to give in reasons for seeking information. C. Removal of Chief Information Commissioner. D. Every Information Commissioner shall hold office for a term of 5 years or until the age of 65 years. Whichever is earlier. Correct answer is B. An applicant making request for information will have to give in reasons for seeking information. Question. Which of the following is related to Right to Information Act 2005? A. Lily Thomas vs. Union of India. B. Nandini Sundar vs. State of Chhattisgarh. C. Namit Sharma vs. Union of India. D. None of the above. Correct answer is C. Namit Sharma vs. Union of India. Question. The objective of Right to Information Act is to A. Secure access to information from public authorities. B. Provide information to the public by a person who has the information. C. Provide information by government on a public place. D. Secure information by police from culprits. Correct answer is A. Secure access to information from public authorities. Question. Which High Court has said in its important decision that the RTI applicant should tell the reason for asking information under Right to Information? A. Calcutta High Court. B. Bombay High Court. C. Allahabad High Court. D. Madras High Court. Correct answer is D. Madras High Court. Question. Under the Scheduled Tribes and Other Traditional Forest Dwellers Recognition of Forest Rights Act 2006, who shall be the authority to initiate the process for determining the nature and extent of individual or community forest rights, or both? A. State Forest Department. B. District Collector, Deputy Commissioner. C. Tahsildar, Block Development Officer, Mandal Revenue Officer. D. Gram Sabha. Correct answer is D. Gram Sabha. Question. Which one of the following statements with respect to the Land Acquisition Act 1894 is not true? A. It was made by the British rulers. B. Its purpose was to help the process of land reforms in India. C. It has been replaced by another Act of India's Parliament. D. Its implementation had become disputed. Correct answer is B. Its purpose was to help the process of land reforms in India. Question. The Prevention of Money Laundering Act came into force in India during A. 1998, B. 1999, C. 2001, D. 2005. Correct answer is D. 2005. Question: Who among the following has the right to vote in the elections to both the Lok Sabha and the Rajya Sabha? A. Elected members of the lower house of the parliament. B. Elected members of the upper house of the parliament. C. Elected members of the upper house of the state legislature. D. Elected members of the lower house of the state legislature. Correct answer is D. Elected members of the lower house of the state legislature. Question: Which one of the following statements is correct? A. Only the Rajya Sabha and not the Lok Sabha can have nominated members. B. There is a constitutional provision for nominating 2 members belonging to the Anglo-Indian community to the Rajya Sabha. C. There is no constitutional bar for nominated members to be appointed as a union minister. D. A nominated member can vote both in the presidential and vice presidential elections. Correct answer is C. There is no constitutional bar for nominated members to be appointed as a union minister. Question: Parliament may legislate on any subject of state list when A. There is assent of President. B. Resolution thereof has been passed by state. C. In any situation. D. General permission of state legislative assembly has been received. Correct answer is B. Resolution thereof has been passed by state. Question: The Parliament can make law for the whole or any part of India for implementing international treaties. A. With the consent of all the states. B. With the consent of majority of states. C. With the consent of the states concerned. D. Without the consent of any state. Correct answer is D. Without the consent of any state. Question: Who can legislate on the subjects which are not included in any of the lists of subjects given in the Constitution? A. Supreme Court. B. Parliament. C. State legislature. D. Regional councils. Correct answer is B. Parliament. Question: Which of the following procedures will enable the adoption of a money bill that was once passed by the Lok Sabha but was amended by the Rajya Sabha? A. It will go to the President. B. The Lok Sabha will have passed it with 2/3 road majority of the members sitting and voting. C. A joint session of the 2 houses will be called. D. It will be deemed to have been passed if the Lok Sabha passes it again either by accepting or rejecting the amendments. Correct answer is D. It will be deemed to have been passed if the Lok Sabha passes it again either by accepting or rejecting the amendments. Question: The Speaker can ask a member of the House to stop speaking and let another member speak. This phenomenon is known as A. Decorum. B. Crossing the floor. C. Interpellation. D. Yielding the floor. Correct answer is D. Yielding the floor. Question: 0R is the contribution of which country to the parliamentary system? A. India. B. America. C. Britain. D. Switzerland. Correct answer is A. India. Question: What could be the maximum time limit of 0R in the Lok Sabha? A. 30 minutes. B. 1 hour. C. Indefinite period. D. 2 hours. Correct answer is B. 1 hour. Question time of 0 hour in Parliament is A. 9 am to 10 am. B. 10 am to 11 am. C. 11 am to 12 noon. D. 12 noon to 1 pm. Correct answer is D. 12 noon to 1 pm. Question 0 hour in political jargon refers to A. Day when no business in Parliament is done. B. Suspended motion. C. Adjourned time. D. Question answer session. Correct answer is D. Question answer session. Question: the Parliament can make any law for whole or any part of India for implementing international treaties. A. With the consent of all the states. B. With the consent of the majority of states. C. With the consent of the states concerned. D. Without the consent of any state. Correct answer is D. Without the consent of any state. Question: under which article of the Indian Constitution the Parliament can make laws on state list subject for giving effect to international agreements? A. Article 249. B. Article 250. C. Article 252. D. Article 253. Correct answer is D. Article 253. Question: which one of the following statements is correct? A. A money bill is introduced in the Rajya Sabha. B. A money bill can be introduced in either of the two houses of the Parliament. C. A money bill cannot be introduced in the Lok Sabha. D. A money bill is introduced in the Lok Sabha. Correct answer is D. A money bill is introduced in the Lok Sabha. Question: a money bill passed by Lok Sabha is deemed to have been passed by Rajya Sabha also when no action is taken by the Rajya Sabha within A. 10 days. B. 14 days. C. 15 days. D. 16 days. Correct answer is B. 14 days. Question: Rajya Sabha can delay the finance bill sent for its consideration by Lok Sabha for a maximum period of A. 1 month. B. 1 year. C. 7 days. D. 14 days. Correct answer is D. 14 days. Question: in how many days Rajya Sabha has to return money bill to Lok Sabha? A. Within 12 days. B. Within 14 days. C. Within 16 days. D. Within 18 days. Correct answer is B. Within 14 days. Question: which one of the following statements is correct? A. Money bill is introduced in Rajya Sabha. B. Money bill is introduced in Lok Sabha. C. It can be introduced in either of the houses of the Parliament. D. It cannot be introduced in Lok Sabha. Correct answer is B. Money bill is introduced in Lok Sabha. Question: when a bill is referred to a joint sitting of both the houses of the Parliament, it has to be passed by A. A simple majority of members present and voting. B. 3/4 majority of members present and voting. C. 2/3 majority of the houses. D. Absolute majority of the houses. Correct answer is A. A simple majority of members present and voting. Question: Who presides over the joint session of both the houses of the Parliament? A. Speaker. B. Vice President. C. President. D. Prime Minister. Correct answer is A. Speaker. Question: Who among the following is authorized to preside over the joint session of the Parliament? A. President of India. B. Vice President of India. C. Prime Minister of India. D. Speaker of the Lok Sabha. Correct answer is D. Speaker of the Lok Sabha. Question: The first joint meeting of both houses of the Indian Parliament was held in connection with A. Dowry Abolition Bill. B. Hindu Code Bill. C. Bank Nationalization Bill. D. Gold Control Bill. Correct answer is A. Dowry Abolition Bill. Question: The joint sitting of both houses of Indian Parliament is held in connection with A. Constitution Amendment Bill. B. Money Bill. C. Ordinary Bill. D. Election of the Vice President of India. Correct answer is C. Ordinary Bill. Question: A legislative bill may be introduced in which House of Parliament? A. Lok Sabha. B. Rajya Sabha. C. Either House of Parliament. D. None of the above. Correct answer is C. Either House of Parliament. Question: Who has the right to issue money from the Consolidated Fund of India? A. Controller and Auditor General. B. Finance Minister of India. C. Authorized Minister. D. Parliament. Correct answer is D. Parliament. Question: Which one of the following expenditure is not charged on the Consolidated Fund of India? A. Salary and allowances of the Chief Justice of India. B. Salary and allowances of the Controller and Auditor General of India. C. Salary and allowances of the Prime Minister of India. D. Salary and allowances of the Chairman of the Union Public Service Commission. Correct answer is C. Salary and allowances of the Prime Minister of India. Question: Which one of the following is not a mandatory expenditure charged on the Consolidated Fund of India? A. Debt charges for which Government of India is liable. B. Salary and pension of the members of the Election Commission of India. C. Pension payable to judges of high courts. D. Allowances of Deputy Chairman of Council of States. Correct answer is B. Salary and pension of the members of the Election Commission of India. Question: Which one of the following expenditures is not charged on the Consolidated Fund of India? A. Salary and allowances of the President of India. B. Salary and allowances of the Vice President of India. C. Salary and allowances of the Justices of the Supreme Court of India. D. Salary and allowances of the Speaker of the Lok Sabha. Correct answer is B. Salary and allowances of the Vice President of India. Question: The authorization for the withdrawal of funds from the Consolidated Fund of India must come from A. the President of India, B. the Parliament of India, C. the Prime Minister of India, D. the Union Finance Minister. Correct answer is B. the Parliament of India. Question: How can the President spend from contingency fund? A. in time of natural calamity, B. after authorization of Parliament, C. before authorization of Parliament, D. cannot spend. Correct answer is C. before authorization of Parliament. Question: All revenues received by the Union Government by way of taxes and other receipts for the conduct of government business are credited to the A. Contingency Fund of India, B. Public Account, C. Consolidated Fund of India, D. Deposits and Advances Fund. Correct answer is C. Consolidated Fund of India. Question: Money bill has been defined by the Constitution under Article A. 109, B. 110, C. 111, D. both, B. and C. Correct answer is B. 110. Question: Who among the following decides whether a particular bill is a money bill? A. President, B. Prime Minister, C. Speaker of Lok Sabha, D. the Cabinet. Correct answer is C. Speaker of Lok Sabha. Question: Which one of the following statements about a money bill is not correct? A. A money bill can be tabled in either House of Parliament. B. The Speaker of Lok Sabha is the final authority to decide whether a bill is a money bill or not. C. The Rajya Sabha must return a money bill passed by the Lok Sabha and sent it for consideration within 14 days. D. The President cannot return a money bill to the Lok Sabha for reconsideration. Correct answer is A. A money bill can be tabled in either House of Parliament. Question: A money bill under the Constitution of India is tabled in the A. Rajya Sabha, B. Public Accounts Committee, C. Lok Sabha, D. Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha simultaneously. Correct answer is C. Lok Sabha. Question: Of the following statements, which one is not correct? A. The Rajya Sabha is powerless in money matters. B. Money bill is introduced in the Rajya Sabha. C. The Rajya Sabha has to pass the money bill within 14 days after it has been passed by the Lok Sabha. D. The Rajya Sabha may pass or return the money bill with some recommendations to the Lok Sabha. Correct answer is B. Money bill is introduced in the Rajya Sabha. Question: Which one of the following subject is not included in the provisions of the money bills? A. Provision regarding taxes. B. Provision regarding borrowings. C. Provision regarding custody of the consolidated and contingency funds. D. Provision for imposition of fines or penalties. Correct answer is D. Provision for imposition of fines or penalties. Question: a bill which merely involves expenditure and does not include any of the matters specified in Article 110 can be A. Initiated only in Lok Sabha. B. Initiated in either House of Parliament. C. Initiated only in Rajya Sabha. D. Initiated only in joint session of both House of Parliament. Correct answer is B. Initiated in either House of Parliament. Question: which one of the following statements is not correct with regard to control of Parliament? On a budget? A. Parliament does not have any role in the creation of the budget. B. Parliament has the power to move on the affected expenditure on the consolidated fund. C. Parliament has no power to impose a tax without the recommendation of the President. D. Parliament has no power to increase any tax without the recommendation of the President. Correct answer is B. Parliament has the power to move on the affected expenditure on the consolidated fund. Question: which of the following is responsible for preparation and presentation of Union Budget in the Parliament? A. Department of Revenue. B. Department of Economic Affairs. C. Department of Financial Services. D. Department of Expenditure. Correct answer is B. Department of Economic Affairs. Question: if the annual Union Budget is not passed by the Lok Sabha? A. The budget is modified and presented again. B. The budget is referred to the Rajya Sabha for suggestions. C. The Union Finance Minister is asked to resign. D. The Prime Minister submits the resignation of Council of Ministers. Correct answer is D. The Prime Minister submits the resignation of Council of Ministers. Question: if budget is disclosed before introducing in the Legislative Assembly, what will happen? A. Council of Ministers will have to resign. B. Chief Minister will have to resign. C. Finance Minister will have to resign. D. All of the above. Correct answer is C. Finance Minister will have to resign. Question: under which of the following taxes the total amount payable by an individual is limited by the Constitution? A. Corporation tax. B. Estate duty. C. Succession duty. D. Tax on profession, trade and callings. Correct answer is D. Tax on profession, trade and callings. Question: economic survey is presented in Parliament every year. A. Before presentation of the budget for the coming year. B. After presentation of the budget for the coming year. C. After presentation of finance bill. D. And has no relation with presentation of the budget. Correct answer is A. Before presentation of the budget for the coming year. Question: votes on account permits Union government to A. Go for public loan. B. Borrow money from the Reserve Bank of India. C. Give grant in aid to states. D. Withdraw money from the Consolidated Fund of India for specific period. Correct answer is D. Withdraw money from the Consolidated Fund of India for specific period. Question: vote on account is meant for A. Vote on the report of CAG. B. To meet unforeseen expenditure. C. Appropriating funds pending passing of budget. D. Budget. Correct answer is C. Appropriating funds pending passing of budget. Question: votes on account in the Parliament is necessary. A. When government expenditure is more than government revenue. B. For financing big projects in which huge amount of money is required. C. When regular budget is not expected to be passed in time. D. None of the above. Correct answer is C. When regular budget is not expected to be passed in time. Question: estimates of expenditure are submitted to the Parliament of India in the form of A. Ad hoc funds. B. Excess grants. C. Supplementary grants. D. Demands for grants. Correct answer is D. Demands for grants. Question: which one of the following statements is correct regarding submission of money bill? A. The finance bill is presented in Rajya Sabha. B. It can be presented in either House of Parliament. C. It cannot be presented in Lok Sabha. D. It is presented in Lok Sabha. Correct answer is D. It is presented in Lok Sabha. Question: the finance bill of Indian government is presented in A. Upper House. B. Legislative Assembly. C. Legislative Council. D. Lower House. Correct answer is D. Lower House. Question: which of the following proposals is related to the Union Budget? A. Censure motion. B. Calling attention. C. Cut motion. D. Adjournment motion. Correct answer is C. Cut motion. Question: according to the law enacted by Parliament in December 1989, the legal age for a citizen to become major is A. 23 years. B. 22 years. C. 20 years. D. 18 years. Correct answer is D. 18 years. Question: the Consultative Committee of Members of Parliament for Railway Zones is constituted by which of the following? A. President of India. B. Ministry of Railways. C. Ministry of Parliamentary Affairs. D. Ministry of Transport. Correct answer is C. Ministry of Parliamentary Affairs. Question: with reference to Indian polity, which one of the following statements is correct? A. Planning Commission is accountable to Parliament. B. President can make ordinance only when either of the two houses of Parliament is not in session. C. The minimum age prescribed for appointment as a judge of the Supreme Court in 40 years. D. National Development Council is constituted of Union Finance Minister and the Chief Ministers of all the states. Correct answer is D. National Development Council is constituted of Union Finance Minister and the Chief Ministers of all the states. Question: which one of the following is the largest committee of the Parliament? A. The Committee on Public Accounts. B. The Committee on Estimates. C. The Committee on Public Undertakings. D. The Committee on Petitions. Correct answer is B. The Committee on Estimates. Question: tenure of the members of the Estimates Committee is of A. 2 years, B. 1 year, C. 3 years, D. 4 years. Correct answer is B. 1 year. Question: which of the following is not a tool of parliamentary control over public expenditures? A. Public Accounts Committee, B. Controller and Auditor General of India, C. Estimates Committee, D. Committee on Public Undertakings. Correct answer is B. Controller and Auditor General of India. Question: the members of Standing Committee of Parliament are taken from the Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha in which ratio? A. 2 and 1 respectively, B. 3 and 1 respectively, C. 4 and 1 respectively, D. in equal numbers from both the houses. Correct answer is A. 2 and 1 respectively. Question: the provision for the calling attention notices has restricted the scope of which of the following? A. Short duration discussion, B. Question hour, C. Adjournment motion, D. 0 hour. Correct answer is C. Adjournment motion. Question: in the Parliament of India, the purpose of an adjournment motion is A. to allow a discussion on a definite matter of urgent public importance, B. to let opposition members collect information from the ministers, C. to allow a reduction of specific amount in demand for grant, D. to postpone the proceedings to check the inappropriate or violent behavior on the part of some members. Correct answer is A. to allow a discussion on a definite matter of urgent public importance. Question: the Secretariat of Parliament of India is A. under Minister of Parliamentary Affairs, B. under President, C. independent of the government, D. under the Supreme Court. Correct answer is C. independent of the government. Question: sovereignty of Indian Parliament is restricted by A. powers of the President of India, B. judicial review, C. leader of the opposition, D. powers of the Prime Minister of India. Correct answer is B. judicial review. Question: the Golden Jubilee of Indian Parliament was celebrated on A. the 1st of January 1997, B. the 15th of August 1997, C. the 26th of January 2002, D. the 13th of May 2002. Correct answer is D. the 13th of May 2002. Question: who was the nationalist leader to be elected as Speaker of Central Legislative Assembly in 1925? A. Motilal Nehru, B. Vithalbhai Patel, C. Vallabhbhai Patel, D. C.R. Das. Correct answer is B. Vithalbhai Patel. Question: in which of the following committees there is no representation of Rajya Sabha? A. Public Accounts Committee, B. Committee on Public Undertakings, C. Estimates Committee, D. Committee on Government Assurances. Correct answer is C. Estimates Committee. Question: Public Accounts Committee present its report to A. Parliament, B. the President, C. Prime Minister, D. Finance Minister. Correct answer is C. Prime Minister. Question: The Public Accounts Committee submits its reports to A. the Controller and Auditor General, B. the Speaker of the Lok Sabha, C. the Minister of Parliamentary Affairs, D. the President of India. Correct answer is B. the Speaker of the Lok Sabha. Question: The report of Public Accounts Committee is presented in the A. Lok Sabha, B. President's Office, C. Finance Ministry, D. Prime Minister's Office. Correct answer is A. Lok Sabha. Question: The main function of the Accounts Committee of Parliament is A. to examine the financial account of the government and report of Controller and Auditor General, B. to appoint on higher posts of public sector units, C. to examine the policy according to financial provision, D. none of the above. Correct answer is A. to examine the financial account of the government and report of Controller and Auditor General. Question: Public Accounts Committee has the following members. Give the correct answer from the code given below. Lok Rajya Total Sabha Sabha. A. 110516, B. 150722, C. 100515, D. 171027. Correct answer is B. 150722. Question: Who nominates the Chairman of the Public Accounts Committee of Indian Parliament? A. the Speaker of Lok Sabha, B. the Prime Minister, C. the President, D. the Chairman of Rajya Sabha. Correct answer is A. the Speaker of Lok Sabha. Question: Estimates Committee is constituted from the members of A. both the houses, B. the Rajya Sabha, C. the Lok Sabha, D. none of the above. Correct answer is C. the Lok Sabha. Question: Which one of the following is a standing committee of Parliament? A. Committee on Public Accounts, B. Estimates Committee, C. Committee on Public Undertakings, D. all of the above. Correct answer is D. all of the above. Question: On which of the following a parliamentary committee has not been set up? A. Public Undertakings, B. Government Assurances, C. Estimates, D. Welfare of Minorities. Correct answer is D. Welfare of Minorities. Question: The Joint Parliamentary Committee set up for probing the 2G spectrum issue consists of A. 15 members from each of the two houses, B. 20 members from Lok Sabha and 10 from Rajya Sabha, C. 18 members from Lok Sabha and 12 members from Rajya Sabha, D. 16 members from Lok Sabha and 14 members from Rajya Sabha. Correct answer is B. 20 members from Lok Sabha and 10 from Rajya Sabha. Question: The Joint Parliamentary Committee examining the 2G scam is headed by A. Murli Manohar Joshi, B. P.C. Chachko, C. A. B. Vardhan, D. Sitaram Yechuri. Correct answer is B. P.C. Chachko. Question: In what way does the Indian Parliament exercise control over the administration? A. Through parliamentary committees. B. Through advisory committees of various ministries. C. By making the administrators send periodic reports. D. By compelling the executive to issue writs. Correct answer is A. Through parliamentary committees. Question: Under which of the following article of Indian Constitution the Governor may reserve a bill for the consideration of the President? A. Article 169. B. Article 200. C. Article 201. D. Article 202. Correct answer is B. Article 200. Question: Under which article of the Constitution can the Governor refer any bill for the approval of the President? A. Article 166. B. Article 200. C. Article 239. D. Article 240. Correct answer is B. Article 200. Question: Who is the constitutional head of the state governments? A. Chief Minister. B. Governor. C. Speaker. D. High Court Judge. Correct answer is B. Governor. Question: Who appoints the LT Governor of Jammu and Kashmir? A. The Chief Minister of Jammu and Kashmir. B. The Chief Justice of High Court of Jammu and Kashmir. C. The Prime Minister of India. D. The President of India. Correct answer is D. The President of India. Question: Who amongst the following administer the oath of office to the Governor? A. President of India. B. Chief Justice of Supreme Court. C. Chief Justice of High Court. D. Outgoing Governor of the concerned state. Correct answer is C. Chief Justice of High Court. Question: Which one of the following statements about the governor of an Indian state is not true? A. He is appointed by the President of India. B. He can be governor of more than one state. C. He holds office for a term of 5 years. D. He can be removed earlier if the legislature of the concerned state passes a resolution for his removal. Correct answer is D. He can be removed earlier if the legislature of the concerned state passes a resolution for his removal. Question: Which one of the following statements is correct? A. In India, the same person cannot be appointed as governor for 2 or more states at the same time. B. The judges of the High Court of the states in India are appointed by the governor of the state just as the judges of the Supreme Court are appointed by the President. C. No procedure has been laid down in the Constitution of India for the removal of a governor from his/her post. D. In the case of the Union Territory having a legislative setup, the Chief Minister is appointed by the LT Governor on the basis of majority support. Correct answer is C. No procedure has been laid down in the Constitution of India for the removal of a governor from his/her post. Question: when the same person is appointed as a governor of two or more states, the emoluments and allowances payable to the governor shall be A. as expressed wish of the governor, B. as decided by the President, C. as decided by the Home Ministry, D. it shall be allocated among the states in such proportion as the President may be order determine. Correct answer is D. It shall be allocated among the states in such proportion as the President may be order determine. Question: the approval of ordinance promulgated by governor is necessary. A. by President, B. by the state legislature, C. by the ministers of Council of State, D. none of the above. Correct answer is B. by the state legislature. Question: state governor is appointed by A. Central Cabinet, B. Chief Justice of Supreme Court, C. Speaker of Lok Sabha, D. President of India. Correct answer is D. President of India. Question: the appointment of a governor in a state is made as per the provision in the Constitution under Article A. 153, B. 154, C. 155, D. 156. Correct answer is C. 155. Question: which one of the following statements about the state governors is not true? A. He is a part of the state legislature. B. He can pardon a sentence of death. C. He does not appoint judges of the state high court. D. He has no emergency powers. Correct answer is B. He can pardon a sentence of death. Question: governor's salary and allowances are given by A. Consolidated Fund of State, B. Consolidated Fund of India, C. Contingency Fund of the State, D. both A and B. Correct answer is A. Consolidated Fund of State. Question: to whom is the governor of a state responsible? A. Prime Minister, B. President, C. Legislative Assembly, D. Chief Minister. Correct answer is B. President. Question: who remains in office as long as the President of India wishes? A. Governor, B. Election Commissioner, C. Judges of Supreme Court, D. Speaker of Lok Sabha. Correct answer is A. Governor. Question: the Constitution of India does not contain any provision for the impeachment of A. the President, B. the Governor of a state, C. the Chief Justice of India, D. the Vice President of India. Correct answer is B. the Governor of a state. Question: the first lady to become governor of a state in India. A. Rajkumari Amrit Kaur, B. Padmaja Naidu, C. Sarojini Naidu, D. Sarla Grewal. Correct answer is C. Sarojini Naidu. Question: Who amongst the following was the first woman governor of a state in free India? A. Sarojini Naidu. B. Sucheta Kripalani. C. Indira Gandhi. D. Vijay Lakshmi Pandit. Correct answer is A. Sarojini Naidu. Question: Who was the first lady governor of West Bengal? A. Vijay Lakshmi Pandit. B. Padmaja Naidu. C. Rajani Rai. D. Sheila Kaul. Correct answer is B. Padmaja Naidu. Question: Who among the following is not appointed by the state governor? A. Chief Minister. B. Members, State Public Service Commission. C. Judges of High Court. D. Advocate General. Correct answer is C. Judges of High Court. Question: Which is the upper chamber of state legislature in India? A. Legislative Council. B. Legislative Assembly. C. Governor's Office. D. None of the above. Correct answer is A. Legislative Council. Question: Which one of the following is the period for the Legislative Council to detain the ordinary bills? A. 3 months. B. 4 months. C. 6 months. D. 14 days. Correct answer is B. 4 months. Question: Which one of the following statements about the Chief Minister is not correct? A. He is normally selected by the Governor. B. He is formally appointed by the Governor. C. He is chosen by the members of the majority party in the Legislative Assembly. D. His continuance as office depends upon many factors. Correct answer is A. He is normally selected by the Governor. Question: According to which article of Constitution of India, the Chief Minister is appointed by the Governor of a state? A. Article 163. B. Article 164. C. Article 165. D. Article 166. Correct answer is B. Article 164. Question: In which assembly of states money bills are proposed? A. Any one of the two. B. Together in both. C. Only in Legislative Assembly. D. Only in upper chamber. Correct answer is C. Only in Legislative Assembly. Question: No money bill can be introduced in Assembly of a state except on the recommendations of A. the Parliament. B. the Governor of the state. C. the President of India. D. a special committee of ministers. Correct answer is B. the Governor of the state. Question: Which article of the Indian Constitution provides the provision of Vidhan Parishad in the state? A. Article 170. B. Article 171. C. Article 172. D. Article 173. Correct answer is B. Article 171. Question: What is the right method to establish or cancel the second chamber in states? A. Proposal in House of People with simple majority. B. Proposal in Legislative Assembly with simple majority. C. Proposal in Legislative Assembly with full majority along with law passed by Parliament. D. Proposal in House of People with full majority. Correct answer is C. Proposal in Legislative Assembly with full majority along with law passed by Parliament. Question: the provisions for creation and abolition of legislative councils in any state is included in Indian Constitution under A. Article 170, B. Article 169, C. Article 168, D. Article 167. Correct answer is B. Article 169. Question: which one of the following legislative house can be abolished? A. Rajya Sabha, B. Vidhan Sabha, C. Lok Sabha, D. Vidhan Parishad. Correct answer is D. Vidhan Parishad. Question: in any state of India, Legislative Council can be created or can be abolished by A. the President on the recommendation of the Governor of the state, B. the Parliament, C. the Parliament as per resolution passed by the Legislative Assembly of the state, D. the Governor on the recommendation of the Council of Ministers. Correct answer is C. the Parliament as per resolution passed by the Legislative Assembly of the state. Question: under which one of the following articles of the Indian Constitution the Legislative Assembly is allowed to resolve for the creation of the Legislative Council? A. 168, B. 169, C. 170, D. 171. Correct answer is B. 169. Question: how many members are nominated in the Legislative Council of Uttar Pradesh by the state governor? A. 1/10 of the total members, B. 1/8 of the total members, C. 1/7 of the total members, D. 1/6 of the total members. Correct answer is D. 1/6 of the total members. Question: which one of the following cannot be dissolved but can be abolished? A. Lok Sabha, B. Rajya Sabha, C. State Legislative Assemblies, D. State Legislative Councils. Correct answer is D. State Legislative Councils. Question: which one of the following states of India does not have a legislative council so far even though the Constitution, 7th Amendment, Act, 1956 provides for it? A. Maharashtra, B. Bihar, C. Karnataka, D. Madhya Pradesh. Correct answer is D. Madhya Pradesh. Question: which of the following states does not have bicameral legislature? A. Tamil Nadu, B. Uttar Pradesh, C. Karnataka, D. Bihar. Correct answer is A. Tamil Nadu. Question: in which of the following states legislative council does not exist? A. Bihar, B. Maharashtra, C. Rajasthan, D. Karnataka. Correct answer is C. Rajasthan. Question: which one of the following states does not have a bicameral legislature? A. UP, B. MP, C. Bihar, D. Karnataka. Correct answer is B. MP. Question: which of the following articles of Indian Constitution consist the provision of the election of legislative assemblies of states? A. Article 170. B. Article 176. C. Article 178. D. None of these. Correct answer is A. Article 170. Question: which one of the following states is an exception to the provision of Article 170 which says that state legislative assembly of a state shall consist of not less than 60 members? A. Sikkim, B. Jharkhand, C. Haryana, D. Uttarakhand. Correct answer is A. Sikkim. Question: what can be the maximum number of members in the Legislative Assembly of a state in India? A. 400, B. 450, C. 500, D. 550. Correct answer is C. 500. Question: who conducts the state assembly elections? A. Chief Justice of High Court, B. State Election Commission, C. Election Commission of India, D. Governor of the state. Correct answer is C. Election Commission of India. Question: which state among the following has the maximum number of members in Legislative Assembly? A. Andhra Pradesh, B. West Bengal, C. Maharashtra, D. Uttar Pradesh. Correct answer is D. Uttar Pradesh. Question: who among the following is the final authority to decide any question relating to disqualification of a member of a House of Legislature of a state? A. Governor, B. Speaker of the Legislative Assembly, C. Chief Minister, D. High Court. Correct answer is A. Governor. Question: what is the minimum age limit prescribed for the membership of Legislative Assembly? A. 18 years, B. 25 years, C. 21 years, D. No age limit. Correct answer is B. 25 years. Question: if the Speaker of Legislative Assembly of a state wants to resign, he will give his resignation to A. Chief Minister, B. Governor, C. Deputy Speaker, D. President of India. Correct answer is C. Deputy Speaker. Question: the Speaker continues to be the Speaker even after the dissolution of the Assembly until A. Immediately before the first sitting of the new Assembly constituted after dissolution, B. The election of the new Speaker, C. He desires, D. None of the above. Correct answer is A. Immediately before the first sitting of the new Assembly constituted after dissolution. Question: how long can a minister continue without being elected to the State Assembly? A. 1 year, B. 6 months, C. 3 years, D. 3 months. Correct answer is B. 6 months. Question. Pay and allowances of the ministers of a state government are determined by the A. Chief Minister, B. Governor, C. Chief Secretary, D. State Legislative Assembly. Correct answer is D. State Legislative Assembly. Question. Who prorogues the Vidhan Sabha of a state? A. Governor, B. Vidhan Sabha Speaker, C. Chief Minister, D. Law Minister. Correct answer is A. Governor. Question. After the Ayodhya incident in 1992, Vidhan Sabha in some states was dissolved. Out of the following, in which state the Vidhan Sabha was not dissolved? A. Uttar Pradesh, B. Madhya Pradesh, C. Himachal Pradesh, D. Bihar. Correct answer is D. Bihar. Question. Which one of the following is responsible for establishing the contingency fund of the state? A. The legislature of the state, B. Parliament, C. President, D. None of the above. Correct answer is A. The legislature of the state. Question. Which is the only state in India to have the Common Civil Code? A. Jammu and Kashmir, B. Mizoram, C. Nagaland, D. Goa. Correct answer is D. Goa. Question. How many reorganized states had bicameral legislatures in 1956? A. 5, B. 10, C. 15, D. 18. Correct answer is A. 5. Question. Accounts of the states are controlled by the A. Governor, B. Chief Minister, C. State Finance Secretary, D. Controller and Auditor General. Correct answer is D. Controller and Auditor General. Question. The contingency fund of the state is operated by A. The Governor of the state, B. The Chief Minister of the state, C. The State Finance Minister, D. State Legislature. Correct answer is D. State Legislature. Question. Which one of the following statements about the Chief Minister of a state is not correct? A. The Chief Minister is appointed by the Governor, B. The Chief Minister generally presides over the cabinet meetings, C. The Governor has to exercise all his functions on the advice of the Chief Minister, D. Ministers are appointed by the Governor on the advice of the Chief Minister. Correct answer is C. The Governor has to exercise all his functions on the advice of the Chief Minister. Question. Which article of the Constitution defines the duties of the Chief Minister? A. Article 162, B. Article 164, C. Article 165, D. Article 167. Correct answer is D. Article 167. Question. Which Indian state had the first woman chief minister? A. UP, B. Bihar. C. Tamil Nadu. D. Delhi. Correct answer is A. UP. Question: the first woman chief minister of an Indian state was A. Vijay Lakshmi Pandit, B. Sucheta Kripalani, C. Nandini Satipathy, D. Sarojini Naidu. Correct answer is B. Sucheta Kripalani.